Hello and welcome to this short video on how you can use appropriate color combinations while preparing a financial model. Uh, so the first thing that you should keep in mind is always use contrasting colors while putting the headings or while putting your content, the levels in a financial model. And I always follow the craft principles that William Robbins recommended in her book, Design Principles for the Non-Designers Design Principles. And the C in that craft basically stands for contrast. So always use contrasting colors. Another advice I always give is while selecting the color, try to use a color which matches with the color that the company uses in its brand logo or in its website. So I'll just show you how we can do that. Let's take a hypothetical case and assume that Axis Bank and ICICI Bank are merging with each other, and I need to prepare few graphics. For that I need to build an entire mergers requisition model using Excel. So you need three things for this. First of all, there is this you know uh, Google Chrome extension called ColorZilla, which you need to extend. I have already installed this. That's why uh, it's saying if I want to remove it. But when you go to this ColorZilla, just search for ColorZilla, and they have got extension for practically every browser that people use, and you need to first of all install this extension. And the second thing that you need to do is go to the once it is installed, go to the website of the company. So let's first go to Axis Bank, and this is Axis Bank's website. And suppose I want to pick this color. I want to know which RGB combination would give me this color. So the first thing I do is I go to ColorZilla, and when I go to ColorZilla and then hover my cursor, it suggests me here. If you see here in this place, it's basically suggesting the RGB values. So here it is 134, 31 and 65. So you need to write down this number somewhere, 134, 31, 65. Then you go to ICICI Bank website, and then you see ICICI Bank is not using just one color. They actually use different sets of orange. So again I go to ColorZilla, and now if I hover my cursor over, let's say, one of this, it gives me 239, 110, 22. Okay, so 239, 100 and let me just select this, anyone, 224, 113 and 12. 224, 113 and 12, that's the RGB values they're using, and that's all you need actually. Now I can head up to Excel, and in Excel what I need to do now is I go to page layout. Okay, and page layout, on the left side you see this place called themes. Go to colors, and you need to select this customize colors option. As of now this option doesn't exist in Mac, but you can use it if you have a window. So go to customize colors, and there you see that they have got some text, background theme and all. Go to accent 1, and here you select more colors. And so I would first select the Axis Bank one. So let's assume that is my bank one. So 134 is the red, for green it is 31, and for blue it is 65. So you see here in this it is already showing you the Axis Bank, that color they use. I click OK, and then I go to accent 2 and go to more colors, and I select the ICICI Bank colors that I picked up were 224, 113 and 12. So it is showing me the color that they use, and I click OK. So that's all I need to do now. So you see here my accent 1 is the Axis Bank, accent 2 is ICICI. In case you have more than 2 organizations involved, you need to then select the appropriate RGB values in accent 3, 4 and 5. So I click on save. Then I go to, let's say this is the data I have. I got this data from moneycontrol.com. This is the 2023-24 interest income from the consolidated financials. So these numbers are in rupees crores. So I say Axis Bank interest income 112,759, ICICI Bank interest income 159,515. Now you can see how it it helps us. So go to insert and let's create a pie chart. So you see here the pie chart automatically selects the colors that we fixed, and we don't need to in fact write down here Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. That would be from the color combination, from the color it uses, it is obvious. I can actually remove that, and this type of graphics I can prepare while basically preparing the PowerPoint slide for making a presentation. And I can also use this text colors for Axis Bank and ICICI Bank and make my financial model look more professional. Okay, so thank you.